Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. Tourism stakeholders will get another opportunity next week to make a sales pitch to partners based in South and Central America. The market is home to 600 million residents, and players in Jamaica are eager to bring as many of them as possible to Jamaica. Speaking at Monday's launch of the Jamaica Product Exchange JPEG show, Director of Tourism Donovan White explained why emerging markets are critical to Jamaica's continued growth as a tourism destination.
The focus for the JTB this year, I think Nicolette alluded to it, is the deepening of our emerging markets expansion. Like any other business, you can't just grow from your existing base of customers. You have to continually be looking at how to expand your market size. And for the greater part of the last 3 years, the JTB has institutionalized as part of its strategy the development of some emerging markets that we see as important to the sustainable growth of our tourism arrivals. Those include Latin America.
The JPEG show will be hosted at the Montego Bay Convention Center in St. James from September 21 to 24. 120 bars from 25 countries will attend the show. This year's staging is headlined Jamaica's Vibes from Chill to Thrill.
Because it is so important to ensure that we can continually bring our business partners to the destination to meet with our suppliers in the destination, who are our private sector owners.
To news on the stock market now. The JSE index declined by 1,153 points, while the junior market index declined by 21 points. The winners include VM Investments Limited, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy US dollar shares, Palace Amusement, Sagicor Real Estate X Fund, and Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar shares. The losers included R.A. Williams Distributors, KLE Group, Margaritaville Turks, 138 Student Living Jamaica, and Jamaican Teas. 13 stocks traded firm. And foreign exchange trading ended with banks and Cambio selling the US dollar for an average $160.87. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $118.93. The pound is going for $218.77, while the euro is selling for an average $190.65. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Lugg. News from overseas after the break.